What's up, everybody? A list of ingredients will be in the description as always. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe for more. I do videos like this all the time. We're going to start with our spice mixture, which is going to be half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chipotle pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly, half a teaspoon of cumin. Once we've got all of this combined, we're going to mix it until it's all one solid color. And then we've got our vegetables. Chop your onion in half, and then you're going to slice it into slices, or strips rather. You're going to pull it apart, that way when you season it, it's going to cover every side. Next we're going to chop our bell pepper. Cut the top in a circular motion, and then cut the sides down like so. And that will get rid of what you don't want immediately. Then we're going to cut it into strips. Pretty simple, just cut away from yourself. And a couple moments later, you've got all your strips ready. We've got one more bell pepper to do though. And voila. Next we're going to crush up some garlic cloves for our homemade guacamole. This is going to be our topping as well as pickled jalapenos. Slice your avocado in half, and then you've got to de-seed it. I just use my knife. Smack it, twist it, bop it, there you go. Add your avocado to your garlic. I would use a bigger container in hindsight, but you work with what you got. After I add all 4 of the halves, I would add salt, pepper, and a little bit of paprika to the top, but it's up to you. Then we're going to mash it together into our guacamole. Our last step is going to be chopping up our mushrooms, the main ingredient for this recipe. Definitely one of my favorite foods. I should eat them more, but I don't know. There's so many good foods that sometimes you forget about one or two. We've got to season our veggies, and then shake it up until they're all thoroughly and evenly covered. You got a hot pan ready, add some coconut oil to it, and then add our veggies other than the mushrooms. Cook for about 10 minutes until translucent. And then we're going to add our mushrooms in and cook for an additional 6 minutes. And also add your tablespoon of soy sauce. Then all you have to do is plate. So we've got our low carb wrap, add our vegetables to it, add an extra mushroom, our homemade guacamole, and you can't forget the pickled jalapenos. It really brings it all home. The flavor profile of this is just absolutely amazing. Look how beautiful it is. So good for you, so easy. Took maybe 20 minutes to make. Thank you all for the support. I really appreciate it. Be sure to share with your friends and subscribe.
The diet's different, baby. Wow.